Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. 8 minutes until we get started. Happy Friday. Let's go. Everybody like up the stream. Good morning to those who join. What up? Afternoon, evening. What up, what up, what up? Let's like up the stream. We got 24 people in here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Questions, tickers, all that stuff. Let's get it. See you guys in 6 minutes. Enjoy the music. Let's start a little early. We'll start a little early today since it is Friday. Let's get it. What up, totes? What up, totes? Good morning. Good morning. You got to get your brand out there more. You already will. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it. I got in on TJL and made a nice 28%. Let's go. Well done on that. Well done on that trade. Yeah, I think it was over here, right? I mentioned it here. How much did it run up? Down around 50%. Yeah, people in Discord made nice money on that. Well done. Good morning, Ferguson. KULR, this is a pump and dump stock. For me, I would just avoid it. I don't care what anybody says. The stock is a load of trash. Same thing as at ADTX. Trash. All right, if you want to take risk entries above 288, safe entries are above 386. So KULR, current setup. You have yellow line equals riskier entries. Purple line equals safer entries. Simple as that. Doge. Anyone trading the Doge coin? BKYI, what's happening with this? BKYI 253. Just wait for 253. BKYI needs 253 break for entries. Anything below, for me, not interested. Bitcoin is pushing big time. It's up 103,000 right now. It's breaking out, looks great. Probably will run into, over the weekend as well. That means the rest of the blockchain planes will run. BTBT, all of them are going to run. Mara, Hut, Riot, Can, CLSK, all of them. CLSK was an alert I gave in the Discord on Monday, which was the entry around this yellow zone. It got close to our stop loss. However, it still held and we ran up like 16%, which is very nice. So yeah, this looks great running with the rest of Bitcoin. So we'll just follow. Personally, these don't really follow technicals as much as it is just really dependent on blockchain itself, which is mainly Bitcoin. So any Bitcoin news, any crypto news, these things do run. So here are CLSK next key levels. All right, so 12.15, then 13.32. Those are your next levels. XHG, did this sell off? I think it sold off. Yeah, XHG, there's nothing unless 150 here. So what I would do is I'll do the same thing here again, right? Purple is safe entry, so 149. You can look for possible entries like this. Guys, I will not be here at market open, okay? I will be doing this into towards open, and then I will be doing live trading until open in the Discord, and then yeah, I have to head out. I'm gonna go. I've got some other commitments I have to sort out. So that is what my plan is. We have so XHG current setup. Yellow line equals riskier entries. Purple line equals safer entries, right? I'm just going to be referring to this quite a bit, so you guys will get familiar with this on my Twitter posts. Close above yellow line, higher risk, safer entries above 149 for the push to the upside. XHG, yeah, I got a bit early, but yeah, I know quite a lot. I mean, the thing is, the pre-market, there wasn't anything moving. It was literally just one or two plays. NUKK, this is what you have here. That $44 is your big resistance right here. I wouldn't be trading $33 stock on a Friday personally, but yeah. Good morning. You make my learning easy. Love to hear it, Silver Creek. I'm glad I can help you. Good morning. What up, Mr. Lux? YTRA, there is no volume on this, so for me, I would just avoid it. Overall trend is also bearish. So when you have bearish low volume, this is something you just want to avoid because you're going to be waiting a long time for something like this to run. Unless you know there's a catalyst of some sort, then fair enough. I mean, you do have a demand zone here, which is an area where buyers step in. So there is a possibility of a reversal, but at the moment, I don't know anything about the stock, so I don't see anything on it like this. Yeah, so this is what you have. YTRA daily chart. YTRA in demand zone. So that's what I'll just let you know that it's in the demand zone. That's kind of it. Nothing exciting on it. Pyrrhizo had news. Could it make new high of day? Pyrrhizo, let's see. I mean, I don't know. Probably something like this that isn't such a great stock. Held above VWAP. These will probably run for a little bit at open. You have your key levels here, but this one doesn't really have great history, to be honest. So we have this here like that. These are your key levels for Pyrrhizo. But you can keep it on watch. NUKK is also... okay, thank you, Lux. Patrick, Pyrrhizo is a goofy stock. Yes, that's it. C. Dylan just said as well, yeah. Yeah, just focus on your trade setup. So like something like this, Pyrrhizo, where you could have taken a trade, whether it's a trash stock or not, there's always technicals and you can still trade based on technicals, but you're not holding these for crazy gains or something because it can dump. But something like this is when a stock's above VWAP like this, VWAP is this green line, it usually acts as an area of support. So if it's above like this, right, this is your VWAP, say for instance, it acts as support. If it's below VWAP, it will act as an area of resistance and it will reject and come down. So this one pulled back exactly to VWAP, nice strong bottom wick to push to the upside. So that would have been a good entry there, but Trying to enter now, for me, it's not worth it. I don't know. It's difficult. I'm not in. All right, cool. DJT, yeah, I took some of this at the beginning of the week. Just under $40. So we'll see. But my prediction's still here. Still pushing up. We'll see. Good morning. SES had a reversal. SES. SES is looking like it's reversing. So right now, right, this was your area of support. So we can mark this here. Let's say this thing's 7 cents. So extremely difficult to trade something like this. Oh no, 78 cents. Never mind. My bad. So 0.78, you have this as your psychological support. I like to use it as a blue color like this. So now you can just focus on this support level. From this level, we've noticed that it has started to reverse, which is a great sign, right? Where is your next resistance? Probably around here, to be honest. Around this 125 level. 125 break, maybe good for entries. Then you have room all the way to these wicks here, probably around this 184. So it has a lot of room to the upside. On a day like this, I would just wait for extra confirmation, although looks like it's reversing. Close above 125 might be good for entries. That's what I would personally wait for. So what is this? This is SES, wait for 125 break for entries. And the break means the candle body must close above. So what I suggest is candle body must close above. 5-minute chart you can use, 20-minute, 15-minute, whatever you decide. I like to use the 5-minute. That for me has enough confirmation. Yeah, ADTX guys, there's a lot of pumpers in this. Just be extremely careful, please. Do not get caught in this trash. All right, Dylan, I need to turn 5K into 500K in the next few hours. Full port Bitcoin. Good morning. Waiting for a strong close above. The trend is key. Perfect example is PMAX yesterday. Yes, exactly, Webb. You're 100% correct. I actually remember that stock because at open, it ran up and then it didn't close above and it rejected and it came straight down. And for the rest of the day, it was just going down, down, down. So I do remember that. So good eye on that. But the thing is, you can't be upset when you get that extra confirmation. So like I always say with this, right? I get new viewers every day. So I just like to explain this as simple as I can. When you see the purple line like this, guys, it's just an area of resistance. It means that there is a strong resistance level that the stock is a high probability it will reject unless you get this candle body like this to close above. Because if the candle body closes above, that confirms. Now, if you're entering a trade, right, and the body is like this, for instance, let's say like this, okay, and it closes or it's about to close below, the chances of you entering, let's say this stock's moving, right, up and down, it hasn't closed above, so it's moving. This means that there's a 50-50 chance, right, that it's going to go up or down. We don't know, okay? When we're trading, right, if you're buying a stock, common shares especially, if your focus is to buy and expect the price to go up, then you have to wait for the confirmation. Instead of it, right, you want to make the highest probability setup. That's why you're entering the trade, for the highest probability of you making the money. That's it. As simple as that. You're there to make the money. You want to enter the trade with the highest probability and the highest chance of you making money in that trade. So if the stock is moving like this and we know previously that it's rejected, we're not going to enter when it's doing this, okay? We need the body to close above. This yellow thing is the body. This is the body here. You can see these are just the wicks, the high and low of the candle. Now, all you have to do is simply just have the candle body to close above. Now, if the candle body closes above this resistance, you are now in a 70, I would say 60, 70% chance of it going in your favor, which is what you want, right? You don't want a 50-50 chance of going up. You want the highest probability, 70, 80%. Okay, so if the candle body closes like this above the resistance, you're now in a stronger position and a high probability chance of this going up in your favor. But if it closes below, you're not taking the trade because there's a high probability to go down. It's rejected it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. You've seen it. So now close above gives you confirmation for it to go up. That's it. And if you do take the trade and it closes above, there's a high probability and you'll probably make money. And you can't be upset because you've waited for the setup, right? This is just one basic strategy. That's it. NUKK, yeah, not really, I don't know. It's not really my stock, to be honest. I'm not going to be trading something like this, but $44, $30 is the main resistance level. Why does Robinhood allow you? You should. Yeah, you need to use a cash account. A cash account allows you to take unlimited day trades. That means if you have $1,000 in your account, you can take as many trades as you want. With that $1,000, you can take one $1,000 trade. You can take two $500 trades. However you decide to break up that $1,000, it's up to you. That's it. Your money will settle the next day. So if you use all your money today in one trade, you'll have to wait for tomorrow for it to settle. If you want to take 20 trades, right, with that $1,000, then you can do that as well. Yes, you probably have a margin account, correct. Candle body close above, what time frame is best? I do not know what time frame is best. I like to use the 5 minute. I have the best confirmation with that. For me, I have the most backtesting results using the 5 minute. Maybe the 15 minute, maybe the 30 minute is better, but I don't know and I haven't backtested it, so I cannot tell you. I only use the 5 minute, and for me, it does work. I personally do not use this strategy at all. Probably never. Okay, where the candle body close above resistance. It's just something, and the basics you can learn in trading, right, that you can use to adapt or adopt in your trading to make yourself consistent. Simply just wait for candle to close above resistance gives you a higher probability of going up. That's it. I personally do not use it. It's not part of my strategy, but it's just a basic strategy that anyone can learn. My other strategies are all in the Discord, how I trade, exactly how I trade using other chart patterns and things. But yeah, this is one basic way you can trade. It does work, and you can become profitable if you have the correct risk management. DKNG. DKNG is pushing up. It's still bearish because you broke this support level here, so it needs to break this high for continuation. So you see this making high highs here, high lows, high highs, high low, high high, high low, then high high, and then look, we broke this low. You see this? This support was broken. Now that means that this trend is bearish. In order for this trend to be bullish, this needs to break, right? Maybe it makes high high here and continues. Once it breaks this high, then it will become bullish and do this, right? That's simply what it is. But you have a wick fill here. It's looking all right, not too bad. Like this. Trend is possibly bullish, but I would prefer it if it was like that. The trend was broken here, so that means that it's bearish. But if you want to use this trend, you can. I prefer more touches. I would at least get maybe this one in here as well. See what we can do. It's not illegal if you go through the wicks. It's fine. You don't want to go through this body, but for the sake of this, I will just do it to show you. This is an uptrend like that. So yeah, you have room to 41.76. $41.76 on DKNG. Let's like up the stream, guys. Come on. Let me retweet this. Everybody retweet the link. Oh shit, I didn't even post a KULR setup. What an idiot. Give me a sec with this KULR. Everybody can see it because everyone asks about this KULR. Sometimes my charts do not post for some reason. There you go. All right, yeah, cash counts, candle body close above. AAL. Yeah, let me just retweet this. Okay, we did. AAL, American Airlines, very, very bullish. Can't say anything wrong about this. It looks great. Coming to a big level here at $19. Anything else? Yeah, a lot of upside. This looks all right. It's good. Overall trend is very bullish. Should continue. I know it's just had news, but for me, I don't really see. I don't know. Up to you what you decide. Most people just invest this long term because they like the company or whatever it may be. But yeah, overall trend is bullish. It needs to, for continuation, it needs to break this high here. Sorry, this high. Oh, it's broken it. Yeah, it should continue now. Broken this 1887. This candle here broke this previous high. Should continue to go up. So AAL looks bullish, or is bullish. Doesn't look, it is. Some people like to do it like this, where they have the trend like this. I go through here so I can get more touches. And for me, I have no issues trading like this. So this is an ascending triangle. You expect price to continue to go up or continue to go to the upside. You can just move this in $19 as a psychological level like that. So AAL, you expect a breakout. American Airlines, AAL expecting breakout. This is a bullish chart pattern or continuation pattern, meaning price should continue. Look, we're in an uptrend. We are now continuing to go up, respecting this chart pattern very well. Now we should go up, retest, and then hopefully push to the upside, right? That is what is expected. Robin has 4.5%. You guys should use Webull. Webull is the best broker in my opinion. I've never had any issues with it, to be honest. Execution's good. Yeah, I've never really had issues, to be honest. It rarely ever has problems. This ZVIA, I would just simply wait for $5. You're very close to resistance here. It needs to break this $5. If it breaks $5 with volume, then it should continue to go up. But I just wouldn't enter now. It's not worth it because it can reject very big and it can come all the way down. So ZVIA, wait for this. ZVIA, wait for close above $5 to enter. All right. Is VWAP line good for pre-market and when market hours, or is it good at any time of day? It works any time of the day, but preferably you want to use it during intraday. That is when the most volume is. That's when it will respect those levels more. VWAP, support, resistance, all those things. So in my opinion, it does work well. You just need to play stocks that have volume to respect it. That's all, but it works pretty much anytime. Robinhood is trash. Yeah, I don't know. Up 8%. Chart news. Nice. Well done. Kraken. Let's see. Kraken. We're still in the downtrend, to be honest with you. I would wait for this level here. You have a resistance right here. This thing is 9 cents. Very difficult. I would even just use 10 cents, to be honest, just to be safe. These are very significant levels for these very cheap penny stocks. I don't like to trade something 10 cents. I really hope you're not in the stock. It's not a great stock in my opinion. The price of it should just tell you that it's not a great stock. But if you like it, or if you like the technicals, you see something different that I do, feel free to enjoy it, to enjoy the trade. But yeah, this is Kraken. Wait for break above. But these ones do have news, and then they pop, and then they come straight down, right? Like pop straight up, come down, straight down. Look at this big sell-off here. This huge candle here is down, what? 30%. That's insane. Very, very scary kind of setup for me personally. Silo, S-I-L-O. What's happening here? 3%. Silo's breaking out. This looks great. I like it. I like this a lot. It has a lot of potential to the upside. Definitely worth probably a trade, to be honest. Looks very, very good. I would definitely keep this on watch. It's similar to this other stock that I have on watch, which is Silo. Where's this other one? BYND. So if you look at this BYND, it doesn't have much volume, right? But look, we are at a big significant level here, and we're breaking 419. We have clean range to the upside. So there's a high probability if this close above, should push to the upside. RR is up 6%. Very nice, very nice. RR is breaking out. These are your next key levels right here. Looks good. Sector is bullish. I still like this long term. It's great. RR trying to break out. But yeah, it's up 6%, getting momentum. 14% yesterday. Looks nice. KULR. Yeah, KULR, I don't like this stuff. Be careful with this stock on KULR. I'm not really a fan. Kit is up 12%. You have your level here. Major resistance, I would say 350. Make it 360. Just round it off to a nice psychological level. We have 360 resistance. Probably that would be nice for entries. It is up 12%. We know this is a former runner. It looks great. But remember, this Friday market is closed on Monday, so it needs, you know, it's a bit of a difficult one to trade on this. Kit, wait for 360 break. Yeah, 360 is your entry point on that. Kit, I'll add it to my watch list. Just have it here for the sake of it. Probably won't be touching it, but yeah, I won't be trading today, unfortunately. I took one trade pre-market, that's it. Sorry, two. I took one early, and then I took one a little later, but I cut one for a loss, and then I made one. IONQ, this is a bullish sector. This is EV, right? I think. Nice, NUKK after hours runners, lovely. Right. Do you mean share where I get good calls and info from? Okay, just for you there. OKLO, difficult. Let's see. Clean the charts up. What do we see? We see that the trend is starting to push to the upside like this, right? Very nice. I'm going to go through these candle wicks here because I want to get more touches. In my opinion, the more touches, the stronger the area of support is, or resistance, whatever it may be. Maybe this is in a bullish pennant. Personally, I would say it's in a bearish pennant because of downtrend now, but yeah, we'll try and see. I mean, I'll try and make it as bullish as I can. It looks okay. I mean, personally, if it breaks this high here, what is actually broke this high here, 25, yeah, it should be good. MGOL. MGOL is still in a ascending triangle. However, it is a bullish reversal pattern, but it is in a strong bearish trend, so it should break to the downside. If this was in an uptrend, it would be much better. Still in the ascending triangle. All right. Still in the ascending triangle. Bullish pennant is the same thing as ascending triangle, right? It's not the same thing. It's the same like pattern. It's a continuation pattern. But yeah, technically, yes, it's kind of the same thing. Isn't Webull like the website making thing? I don't know, they have stock. Yes, Webull's right here. You can trade on this platform. You can trade right now on this platform. It's Webull like this. WEBULL. It's a great stock. Someone can share their invite link. You can get some free shares and stuff. Pirzo. Yeah, Pirzo hit this 254. Very nice. Very nice. Looks good. VS, is VS moving up? Now, VS, you have to wait for 365, okay? 365 is your entry point. I personally don't like to enter here. Maybe above VWAP you could enter, but you have resistance in the way. So I personally would wait for 365, all right? E-Trade, the best. Where's E-Trade? Can you use this E-Trade platform? E-Trade, what's it called? What's the platform called? Webull's great. From your accent, you sound like you're from the UK. Do you use a UK Webull account? I ask because I'm not able to spy calls on my account. Nope. I was born in South Africa, grew up in Dubai, went to a British school here, so I have a British accent, and studied in the US. Moved back to Dubai, and I live here in Dubai. But no, I have a Webull account, a US account, and then I use a local broker here in Dubai. But if you're in the UK, T212 is what most people use. That's what Hassi uses. Majority of people use that. But I know Webull is still good in the UK. SOUN needs this break. Needs this level here. So SOUN, just wait for this. SOUN needs 50. Needs to reverse this one. I like it. I really like this play. In my opinion, it should continue to go up. All right. Not UK. How's Abbott looking? This one was on my watch list, right? No, it's not. Okay, so Abbott is downtrend, bearish, right? This is a stupid 8 AM wick candle, Webull candle. You could use this resistance here, 226, if you want, as a resistance level. So we can focus on something like this. Close above here. Just ignore this candle here on Weeble. I don't think it's a proper candle. So you have that, and then you have this wick fill here. So these are your levels too. It's got a lot of room to the upside. Looks good, but it needs to break above. What is this? ABAT needs to close above 226. All right. This is ABAT. NUKK, yeah, people ask me about this. 44, whatever it was, is the price that you should look for entries, in my opinion, which is 44.30. I posted this on my Twitter, so you can go and have a look at it. The levels are given there. $54 or whatever this is. Yeah, these are your levels here. I'll post it again. NUKK, key levels. Make sure to like and retweet my post as well, guys. It helps a lot. Kraken was 10 cents, made reverse split. Did I remember correctly now? So yeah, it's a terrible stock. If it's worth. Now, I'm not interested in Kraken, to be honest with you. I like to play proper stocks. These ones don't have very good history. And history usually does repeat itself. APLD, this runs with Bitcoin. Possibly a bull flag here or falling wedge. Could use a bull flag, to be honest. Not really a strong bull flag. I don't know. It's not really that kind of setup. But yeah. Possible bull flag, I guess. Not really that clean. Possible bull flag. This is a bullish pattern. But yeah, you want it to be a strong uptrend, like from stronger than that. APLD, are we able to have 100% stop loss just in case it goes down to 50% and take profit stop at the same time? I'm not too sure. You can, if you ask me about using a stop loss and target at the same time, you can do that. You just use an OTO order, which is one triggers the other on Weeble. BTCT, Bitcoin play 22%. Oh no, BT, yeah, it is Bitcoin play. I don't know. It's just a bit tricky. Just ran up now, just popped. So we have your main resistance right here, right? This is where the high was, so 572. I'm gonna put it at 575. I like to just round my levels at psychological levels, because if they break those, then it's high probability to go up. Like 573, 577, like that is not really a significant level for me. I like to just round it off, it's just easier. So you need this 575, close above here. We'll see though. It does run with Bitcoin, but I would definitely focus on something else. Another like Mara or something. W&W. Yeah, was it still down bad or was it up? Yeah, W&W is nothing. I don't know why people like this. TGL. TGL is this reversing? No, TGL, wait for 0.38. We're in the US, Indiana. Notre Dame, Indiana, went to school there. Then I lived in Chicago for a few years. How do you move so fast on Weeble? I found it difficult because I do this every single day and I've done it for the last 4 years using this platform. So I'm very, very, very quick at it, you know? So I'll be doing this every day. Think about it. I post hundreds and hundreds of charts every day for the last 4 years. So that's what I do. But it takes time. It's like everything. It just takes time to get used to it. You will get used to it. Trust me. It's a very easy, straightforward platform, in my opinion. HNST. HNST is nothing. HNST has very low volume, so I have to go all the way to daily. Yeah, I don't know. Something like this, I'm not very confident on, so I don't really want to chart it to give you any false hope. To be honest, I don't really know. Maybe this trend break. Something like this, maybe. People on Twitter, Blue Sky's awesome. I'll share in trading servers. BBAI, this is still bullish sector. BBAI 470. Oh, 470, 530. Let me see here. On your Discord, do you provide signals for a day on daily basis? Day on daily basis? I want the subscription. So everybody please listen. In the Discord, it is extremely different to what is posted on Twitter. On Twitter, all I do is I share possible setups. And then also, the next thing is that I do is that I also just post charts that I like, and then I also just respond to all chart requests that people ask. That's it. It doesn't mean I'm in a stock. It doesn't mean buy. You will slowly start to learn from my Twitter how consistent I am in terms of my setup, so you can see and learn how to trade those. But the Discord is a completely 180 flip. There is nothing like that in the Discord. The Discord, we give you the alerts, we give you the stop loss, whatever you like. It's all given there. I give around 2 or 3 a day. Hassi gives around 5 a day. It just depends on the market. We're not robots. We don't give 100 alerts a day. We focus on quality, not quantity. Everything that we teach in the Discord, our strategies are there. You watch the seminars, you can understand how we trade, how the risk management works. Everything is there. You can see my wins, you can see my losses. Everything is there. There's full transparency in the Discord. Everything is there for people to see. So there's no question on anything. If it doesn't hit the stop loss, doesn't hit the target, I'm in the trade, you can see it. And that is how it is. I give swing trades to those who are busy with work. I give around three or four on every Monday that you can enter at your own choice. I give you the entry, reasonings, all of that stuff. But the thing is, in the Discord, what is different is that I teach you how to trade, to have the skill, to have it for the rest of your life, so you can do this independently, not to rely on alerts because people are lazy and just want that. We have it there, yes, for those who like to do it, and some people like those, and that's fine. But my passion is to teach, to give people the skill that I have, teach them what I've learned over the few years that I've been trading, and basically understand how I trade, and they can adopt it, and that's how it is, So it takes time to learn the strategy. It is a very simple strategy. There's different strategies that I share, but the most important thing is risk management. That is why it's the #1 seminar to watch when you join the Discord, and it is the first one. So if you want the alerts, they are there, but if you want to learn how I trade and how I enter my trades and everything like that, the live trading is there as well, which I do every single day, as well as Hassi. He does an hour, I do an hour. Are you watching? No, unfortunately I won't be watching it, no, but I know they got to the finals, which is fantastic. I hope they win though. Can we revisit Pirzo? Pirzo is here. So if you want to look for an entry on Pirzo, I would take an impulse buy above 258. Impulse buy means that the candle body, let's just say the candle's moving like this, right? If it breaks this high without closing above, you can take the trade. So 258 break, you enter. You do not wait for the candle body to close above and all that stuff. You are taking an impulse. That's as soon as it breaks, you enter. As easy as that, right? VS and ZEO. VS, you need to wait for 365 for your entry. That's nothing on there. ZEO, nothing unless 418. If you want to take an entry now, you can. For me, I'm not really interested at the moment. Tagline Discord is worth it. It's weight in gold. Thank you, Christian. I appreciate it, my friend. I promise you I didn't pay him to say that. This is probably the best Discord server around educationally. First day in the server, and I've already love to hear it, Patrick. Patrick, also just make sure, I'm assuming you have watched the intro video. Also, one thing, guys. On Fridays, both myself and Hassi don't really trade, okay? Reason is because the time's a little bit of an issue here in Dubai because the market opens later, and it's pretty much the weekend when the market opens here on Fridays. So I do not trade on Fridays. I am here pre-market, but when market opens, I have other commitments and go play football. But yeah, every other day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're here all day, pretty much. Pre-market, Hassi does after hours as well. So yeah, there's a lot in there. All the seminars, everything is there. You can watch it. We have loads of content, flashcards, all that fun stuff. Great to hear though, Patrick. Appreciate it. Sorry, BBAI, I forgot to look at that one. BBAI, oh no, I didn't. 470 and 530. Looks good. Guys, also make sure to go and watch the new YouTube video, please. Hassi puts a lot of effort into these videos. They are great. They are there for you. It's all the free education, right? You don't have to join the Discord, but there are some videos that we have there. Highly recommend that you guys go and watch it. Just like it, comment, give us some feedback. It goes a long way. Appreciate it a lot. All right. Yeah, these stupid guys, all these bots under my posts. If anyone knows how I can get rid of it, please let me know. I know how to get rid of these stupid bots under my posts. It would be amazing because they are under my posts. I need to change my picture because it's haunting me. I am down 9K and now only have 3.5K. Do you think I can recover it with your Discord subscription? I'm in the dump yard. Sorry if it's demanding. So Sukesh, I can tell you, and I tell everybody, I'm a realistic trader, and the way that it is, if you are disciplined and you follow exactly what we teach, you will for sure become profitable, and I'm sure you can recover that. It takes time. It takes practice. It will not happen overnight. It might take a few weeks, few months. It depends. I cannot tell you how long it will take. I wish I knew, but it just depends on how consistent you'll be. If you follow everything, the risk management, journal all your trades, share with us your trades so we can help you, then yes, you will. But it's a full commitment. It's not a half-ass thing. We are here to teach you, and if you want to take it seriously, that's fine. You can join, but if you are just here to make double your money quickly, you know, I tell people, and it's realistic in our Discord, we aim for 1 to 2% a day on our account. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's all relative to everyone. Making 1% on your account a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. If you can make 20% ROI on $1 million, $100, it's all the same thing. But if you can consistently do that, you'll be a fantastic trader and you will not need to worry about losing your $9,000. All right. But yeah, that is my feedback, and Hassie's posted as well. ADTX, guys, ADTX, I'll be honest with you, is a load of trash. Sell it, leave it, get rid of it, remove it from your watch list. The stock is terrible. This price action is pure manipulation, pump and dump. Straight up, straight down. If you want to take a trade, simply enter above 0.215. That's it. Anything below, don't care. I would not trade this at all. Same as Hollow, all of those things. FFIE, Kraken, trash, trash, trash. Get out of it. Get out of it. Lays. Lays, I'm going to go over these and then I'm going to head out. Lays is your entry is above $5. Close above $5, you can look for an entry. It's starting to push up. It looks good. All these quantum plays did run up yesterday into open and then they died off, I think. Wait for $5. Wait for $5. Whoever I invited here today, I did so because I thought you could benefit from joining Paper Trade first week. Yes, thank you, Matt. Appreciate that. Yeah, it just depends. Like, the thing is, you need to be realistic, right? That's why I don't share how much I make or whatever, because it's all relative. People get competitive. They get, you know, they just don't. It doesn't benefit whether you see if I make $1 million a day or $20 a day, right? And that's why it's very important to stay realistic to your account size. Focus on the percentage and build your account. That is it, right? Don't compare to anyone else. You cannot compare someone like myself who's been trading for years and has a consistent strategy and have everything in place, and I am pretty much a robot every day. You'll see it when you're in the Discord. I do the same thing every day. It's boring. It might be boring, but it works. That's the way, that's the life of a trader. I'm not going to try something different because the market's slow or because of this and this. I do the same thing. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I'm done for the day. It's very rare that I do, but that's it. All right. So it's all relative. If you make $5 on your $100 account, that's 5%. That's insane if you can make 5% on your account. Trust me, it's insane. Don't look at the dollar amount. Just stay in your own lane. That's it. It takes time. Compounding. Yes. Thank you. No problem. Great call on TGL this morning. Yes, Matt. Well done. Hope you got in. Amex. Gonna go over this. Then I'm done. Amex. Nothing on this. I don't see anything on this. Hollow bag hold here. Trying, bro. I'm trying to help the hollows. Trying to help the hollow guys. But doesn't look pretty, unfortunately. 10 days in and my win rate is around 70%, mostly on Tigers, alerts, calls. Some are 6% gains, some are 30%, but losses are 3%, 5%. That's it. Yes, Christian, that is music to my ears. I love that you're actually watching them, because that is what differs, you know, people who are successful, especially in the Discord, and people who struggle because they don't want to spend 10, 20 minutes with the most valuable information. What people pay for, right, is the education to learn. It sucks, risk management. Yes, maybe only a 3% stop loss is not much. Maybe a 5% target is not much for you, but that is what works. I've done it. I have proven track record. It takes time. You can slowly start to have a 20% target, whatever you desire, but you need to be realistic with your targets. That's all. But well done for reading that and watching it. I'm glad you're learning a lot. Both myself and Hassie are pretty much, you know, robots when we're trading. Percentage what it count? Yes. 1% consistently is outstanding. Yes. I don't do it every day, right? This week I haven't done it every day because the market hasn't been great. But yeah, in my opinion, it's just, you know, when the market's not great, I even said it this other week, we have so much stuff, right? We have so much stuff. This week we had so much news, data, PPI, all of that stuff, all right? So the difference is that when you have a lot of data coming out, a lot of people just waiting. Now we also have on Monday the inauguration. All these things affect the market. You'll see there's not much volume, not much runners. They don't run as much. So if the market's not great, right? This is the way I think about it. If the market is not good and I knew this week wasn't going to be that great, I traded with 50% of my size. If I normally go $1,000 per trade, I'll trade with $500. If I lose, I'm losing half of what I usually do because I don't expect the market to run well. There's a lot of news. It's impacting it. It's just 1 week out of the month. It's not the biggest deal. It is what it is. Take it and move on. All right, that's it. That's as easy as I can tell you to trade. If not, just don't trade at all. Finance, yes, exactly. YCBD, right, let me do this. Guys, this is the only link to Discord right here. There's no WhatsApp or Telegram. Ignore these stupid bots under my posts. I know Hassie gets it as well, so just ignore it. YCBD, wait for close above 0.6. You can wait for a 5-minute close above, 2-minute, whatever you desire. How much of our account should we be investing? I recommend to do no more than 25%. So you have $1,000. I wouldn't recommend to have more, trade more than $250 per trade. What do you think of air? Air. Air is pushing up 19%. Yeah, air looks good. I'll give you the key levels. I'm just not really interested on it. Well, I won't be trading, so I'm just going to give you what I can right now. But guys, please go and watch that new YouTube videos. They're all there for you. It's good education. It's great content. It helps you a lot. There will be small things that you'll learn along the way. Air key levels though, looks good. It's running up, but yeah, I don't know why it's running or anything, but it looks good. Looks good. Foxo needs 0.34 to enter. Other than that, not interested. Pirzo, what's happening here? Yeah, Pirzo, you need to close above 0.51. Pirzo, 2.58 break equals entries. Anything below, don't care, doesn't matter, who cares? Easiest way I can explain to you with this. People who are new and just started trading, look at your chart today. Look, think about this logically. If a stock, right, let's just say this stock is moving down right now, right? You don't want to buy it because it's going down. You know, okay, just without even trading and looking at a stock, you can understand this, that if a stock breaks the high of day is this right here, 258, that's the highest point the stock has been today. If the stock breaks above that high, the probability of the stock going up is very high because it's in a strong bullish momentum. There's a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. So now if this breaks above 258, there's a high probability that it'll continue to go up. That is it. You do not want to buy here and try and hope that it's going to go up. That's when 99% of people fail, because they try and enter here because they think it's going to go up. You need confirmation. If it breaks above 258, you can take the trade for it to go up. That's it. Easy as that. All right. I'm going to head out now, guys. I will be sharing charts for the next 20 minutes, and then I will be heading out to go play football. So I will not be here during intraday, but I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you all on Tuesday. The market is closed on Monday. All right. If you have any questions about the Discord, feel free to DM me or probably just post under my Twitter post. I'll get back to you the best I can. But at the moment, yeah, I don't really respond to Twitter DMs because I get too much spam and BS. Snap. Let's have a look at Snap. Where's Snap? Snap is right here. Let me have a look. Snap is coming down. Is this 1%? Snap's just ranging right now. Snap doesn't look too good. Yeah, nothing on Snap I wouldn't take right now. Hold up. Snap I would only enter it or like take some over this, like $13. Wait, what? Above $13 maybe you can look for entries. Yeah. Because right now, yeah, you don't want to be buying when it's coming down. I mean, there's support around here, but I don't like to buy support. I prefer if it breaks above here, continuation up, and wherever, all the way up to like 17. All right, XHG, then I'm done. Like up the stream. Let's go. XHG. What's XHG? XHG 118. Risky entries. Safe entries above 1.9. All right. Catch you guys later. Have a great day, evening, afternoon, morning. I will see you all on Tuesday, guys. Peace out.